welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna be doing some of a system upgrade. So right here we have a 2080 Ti Asus Strix. We also have a Castle 240EX RGB. So this will be a better upgrade for the cooling it has now. And well, a Seasonic Focus Gold GX750. There is also going to be RAM from Patriot, but that hasn't arrived yet. It's 64 gigs of it, which is absolutely amazing. Thanks Patriot for those RAM, because they gave it to me for review. And with that, I'll say just jump right into the upgrade of the system. First of all, we're going to start off with cleaning it, as it has been sitting in that corner for about a year without much care, and because it's next to the window, it has sort of accumulated a lot of friendly dust particles living within it. So we're going to clean it up first before we do the upgrades. Let's go. Assembly of the system is never that fun, as it's always the fear of you damaging your own system or that you bought an incompatible part, especially with installing an AIo. However, after 3 hours, it was finally done. On the specs that I went for, an RTX 2080 Ti, as it offered the most amount of VRAM for its price compared to the 3080 or 3070. I know there's a 3060 out there, but in order to handle 1440p games also, the 2080 Ti would be a better option, as the 3060 is similar to a 2060 Super performance. 64 gigs of RAM was needed, as I started doing After Effects work that uses more than 32 gigs of RAM, so it made it sort of non-sufficient. Also at 3600 MHz, it also allowed my system to have a bit more better performance compared to my previous kit of RAM stuck at 3000 MHz. The 750W PSU was an upgrade just to provide a peace of mind, as the entire system will be running close to 650 watts if I didn't do so. For performance wise, in Cinebench R20 it gets 4771 points, and in Premiere Pro, for a 6 minute 15 seconds project, it finished rendering in 5 minutes 26 seconds at a 4K YouTube preset along with maximum render quality. In the end, this may not be the world's best editing system, but it's definitely a decent all-rounder system in terms of gaming, rendering 3D stuff, or just video editing. It definitely can do everything. So I want to say also a huge thanks to Patriot for sending out 64 gigs of RAM just to make this upgrade possible. If not, RAM prices now are actually kind of through the roof due to the DRAM shortage and a whole bunch of chip silicon shortage, a whole bunch of other things that have been going on in this world. So yeah, massive thanks to them. And with that, we've come to the end of the video. If you guys liked it, leave a like, subscribe, share, comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time.